We start from. Pull out the position of the first buckle marking buckle. Standing stitch. Then hook a short needle. Buckle mark buckle. Then the second stitch is to short stitches. The third is a short needle. Good for a group. It is 1 stitch to stitches and 1 stitch as a group. Repeat this circle 7 times. 1 stitch. 2 needles. 1 stitch. 1 stitch. 2 needles. 1 stitch. 1 stitch. 2 needles. A good shot. This is the end of a circle repeating. There are 28 pins in total. Okay, here I am, take the mark off. Ready to pull. End the lap. Then hook a standing stitch. Then we can count. Is the number of stitches in this circle correct? Then the 5th row is the 5th circle. The 5th circle is 3 short needles. A short stitch. Let's start with the first place where we just pulled hard. First, hook a short needle. After the short needle is hooked, it is still the same as the teaching mouth. Then 2. 3 good 123s have a short stitch in each stitch. Well, the 4th one needs to be hooked with short stitches and added stitches. This is a group. 1 to 3 3 short stitches and then a short stitch plus stitches. This is a group. We continue with the second set of 1, 2, 3, then add a short stitch. The second group and the third group are also 1, 2, 3 1 short needle plus needle. Also the same. Repeat a circle for a total of 7 groups. After this group is ticked, after this circle is hooked, it will be 35 stitches. Okay, let's go on to the 6th lap. For the 6th circle, there are 2 short needles. A short stitch. 2 short needles. We raise the needle here. It is better to hook a short needle and buckle the mark buckle. The first short needle is always hooked. And pull hook in the same pin female. Inside the first needle. Then you must pull it tighter. What if you don't tighten up? You will mistake it for a short needle. So you have to tighten up. Well, this circle is a short stitch. 2 short needles. A short stitch. Short needle plus needle. 2 stitches hooked in the same stitch. 2 needles hooked in the same needle. Is a short needle plus needle. Then continue with a short stitch. A short needle. Good for a group. Let's look at the second group. A short needle. A short needle. A short stitch. Another short stitch, another short stitch. This is the second group. The third group is still the same. A short needle, a short needle. A short stitch. Another short stitch, another short stitch. It is 2 short needles and 1 short needle plus needle. 2 short stitch repeats. It is also written on our diagram. 2 short needles. This 2x is 2 short needles. And then here is a short stitch plus stitch. Here are 2 short stitch repeats. The number outside the brackets is 7 times. Okay, let's tick this circle. What about our words? It's the last stitch. Remove the buckle. Pull out. Standing stitch. A short needle. For this circle, there are 5 short needles. A short stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A short stitch. Well, this is a group. Well, after hooking this circle, it is 49 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here is the short needle plus needle. So repetitive. Tick this circle. We ticked a total of 7 circles just now, right? Add needle 1 to 3 for 5, 6, 7. These 7 circles are all added stitches. We hit a round bottom. Round bottom. Then we start from the 8th circle here. Let's finish the lap first. Pull it out. The lap is over. We start on lap 8. It's all ticks. Laps 8 to 17. Standing stitch. Short needle. Short needle. Hook a short needle corresponding to each stitch. Then every ending is the first to pull out the beginning. To stand up first is to stand up, then the next lap. Corresponding to each needle. Hook a short needle. Then our outside is towards oneself. Is outside. Here is outside. We will turn it up like this later. Hook, hook, flippin' like this. This becomes inside. This is outside. If the yarn has joints. Can be traceless wiring or a connector. When ticking, the control is ticked in this. Because it's stuffed with cotton. That's how it works. 1 stitch to hook. There are a total of 49 stitches per circle. Each circle is 49 stitches. From the 8th lap to the 17th lap. Then on lap 18, we need to reduce stitches. Just close it up a little bit. So let's start from lap 8 now. Tick to the 17th circle and repeat like this. Tick it off. Is the position of the body? Okay, let's see. I'm almost at the end of the lap here. Okay, let's take a look after this lap is over. The last stitch is still the same. It's like this every lap after that. First draw and end this lap like this. Then stand up and start. In the first stitch, we just seduced and pulled. Short hook. If you say that the more you tick, the bigger, I'm going to check to see if the needle is pulled up here. Here it is hooked in as a short needle. Generally tighter. Like me, he can't tell it's a short needle. Just see it here. This is the pulling needle. If it is very loose, it is like this short needle. So this place must be tight for everyone. Pulling needle, standing needle. Then short stitch. If it is said that if you forget to deduct it, you will be deducted. Just look at the corresponding side. A short needle below. The short needle corresponds to a V shape like this. Make no mistake. It's best to count every tick. Especially novices. Okay, here we are. Just say no more. From the 8th to the 17th lap, we hook it first. 17 laps on our side have been ticked. Everyone can count. Count the number of ticks in your hand.